Welcome back. The Kingfisher Pro League match between Musli Power Churchill Brothers and Raya Sporting on Sunday had to be abandoned due to a standoff between the referee and the Raya manager. Churchill were leading by 4-1 at the time the match was called off in the 63rd minute. The teams are yet to learn the final decision from the Goa Football Association's disciplinary committee.
The mighty Churchill brothers were running away with the match, having scored 3 goals in the first half. Dhana Chandra Singh opened the scoring in the 14th minute, followed by new signing Dan Ito's goal that made it 2-0 for the Varka-based side. Ashley Fernandez took Churchill to a commanding 3-0 lead into the breather. For Raya, Emmanuel Chidi reduced the margin in the 53rd minute, but Felix Chimaku restored the 3-goal margin by scoring in the 62nd minute. That was the time when referee Adelaide DeCosta, supposedly fed up with the verbals of Raya manager Luis Quadros, issued marching orders. Luis argued that he was not shown the red card and hence will not leave the technical area. As such, the standoff lasted for over 10 minutes, leading to the match being called off. Boos were ringing loud from the stands and the spectators were even calling for refund of their money as the officials were escorted into the stadium by police. Match Commissioner Milagros Teresa defended the referee's decision to issue marching orders to the Raya manager without showing a red card.
There is no need to show the red card. So he can give a marching order directly.
What is the result of this game?
That is up to JFA, disciplinary committee.
Raya manager Luis claimed that he also was at the receiving end of bad words from the referee. Raya have also made a protest letter about the referee.
बॅड वर्ड दिले अशें म्हणून कित्याक ऑबे करूंक ना तुवें आनी
तेणेंय म्हाका येवन बॅड वर्डूच दिलो गेट आउट म्हणून आमकां मॅनेजराक तेणें गेट आउट म्हणपाचो उतर न्हू मेन म्हणल्यार तेणें येवन म्हाका रेड कार्ड दिवंक जाय आसलें
पूण तूं तुजी मिस्टेक मानता
हांव म्हाजी मानता पण तेजी मिस्टेक तेणेंय बॅड वर्ड दिला म्हाका तेणेंय बॅड वर्ड दिला म्हाका
मार्चिंग ऑर्डर कित्याक हें करूंक ऑबे
करूंक कित्याक तेणें रेड कार्ड दिवंक ना मग आमी प्रोटेस्ट करतले तांकां रेफरीचेर.
The controversy meanwhile overshadowed another strong performance from the I-League champions. Coach Carlos Roberto Pereira da Silva was happy with the display but was disappointed by the abrupt end of the game.
It's not good for football. It's sometimes some mentality, you know, the people shouting against referee in the bench, and this is not football. I don't know what he say, the man say for the referee, but this is for football no good. We are leading 4-1, and maybe you can score more 3 or 4 goals, you know. But we see.
Churchill Brothers Japanese midfielder Dan Ito was happy to have scored on his debut. He, however, admitted that he will perform much better once he is well versed with the squad. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkaikar.
Goa seems to be moving towards becoming a powerhouse in karate. Sensei Joseph Rodrigues, an experienced karate instructor, feels Goa is among the top 4 karate states in the nation. Joseph also shared his view on how karate could further develop in Goa.
The standard in Goa is on a very high level as far as karate is concerned. If I may even judge this, I would say that karate in Goa, or on an all India basis, we would probably stand as the probably 3rd or 4th best team in India. As a result, the level over here is pretty high. Most of our recognized instructors over here are of a very good standard. And I see that with a little bit of direction and with a few more extra camps and joint trainings between the instructors here in Goa, the Goa team could be the top team in India with a little bit help from the state government and the authorities concerned.
What is the scenario in the senior team then?
Well, as far as the senior team is concerned, when it comes to the Shotokan championships, we have been at the top level for the last 10 years. In fact, the Goa team has won the men's championship probably 3 or 4 times already.
Sports reporter from Miramar, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Shan for Prudent Media.
Legendary playback singer Lata Mangeshkar turned 80 on September 28th. Lataji's supreme voice has contributed mesmerizing ghazals, film songs, pop music and bhajans for decades. What more can be said about a supreme singer who has 40,000 songs to her credit, a Guinness World Record? Prudent Media pays its tribute to the artist on her 80th birthday. We leave you on this melodious note. Till then, keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
आपको बताऊं, गए 33 वर्ष मैं ये गाना गाती हूँ और लोग, अगर जिस जगह मैं नहीं गाती हूँ वहाँ लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं और कहते हैं नहीं नहीं दीदी, एक मर्तबा वो गाना गाइए, ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों। लोगों को इतना अच्छा लगता है कि मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती।